Hi sir, my name is Michi Panjan Michael Piquet, reporting watertight bulkheads. Recommendation per SOLAS regulation for ships construction and safety compliances. Watertight bulkheads are critical for vessel survivability and collision flooding mitigation. This outlines practical recommendations to ensure compliance with SOLAS requires and enhance ship safety. Brief overview of regulator context, design principles, and verification practices to guide ship builders and compliance officers. 1. Regulatory requirements. SOLAS Chapter 2:1 sets standards for subdivision, stability, and watertight integrity. Ensure designs align with required damage stability calculations and subdivision indicates. Adopt and compliance first approach. Incorporate approved calculations, plans, reviews, and documentation at design and build stages. Watertight definitions. Watertight indicates construction preventing water ingress under specified condition. Key elements: bulkhead, continuity, bonded seams, and approved closures. Specify testing protocols, classify penetrations, and required certified doors and valves to maintain integrity during design life. Compliance checks. Conduct plan review and approval with authorities prior to construction. Maintain detailed records to drawings, calculations, and materials. Schedule initial and periodic service and audits during build and service life to verify installation and maintenance of bulkheads. 2. Designs and construction. Bulkhead materials. Select corrosion resistance alloys and high tensile steel where strength to weight is critical. Specify compatible coatings and sacrificial protection for longevity. Define welding procedures, non-destructive testing, and materials traceability to ensure consistent quality. Structural details. Design for continued plating and adequate stiffening to preserve continuity under damage scenarios. Include proper stiffeners, spacing, and joint details. Minimize penetrations where unavailable. Apply certified seals and flange with documented installation procedure. Testing and certification. Employ hydrostatic and pneumatic leak tests and mechanical integrity checks before commissioning. Document tests, results, and corrective actions. Obtain class approval and issue certificates. Plans periodic recertification and service inspections align with SOLAS requirements. Conclusions. Ensure watertight integrity through regulated design, verified materials, and documented testing. Integrate compliance early in the project life cycle to reduce rework and regulatory risks. Adopt a structured inspection and certification regime to maintain safety and SOLAS conformity throughout vessel service. And that's all, sir. Thank you.